Yeah, blessed people. See this? This name cricket. Rastamas I talk to some people and them I talk to some people out here out here. They ask them, why make so much noise? And this I make so much noise name cricket. You see? See two bright eye them? Them red. Red like blood. So I'm sure now. It's named cricket. Cricket, you see Anton? So I'm making noise them out here at night time and daytime. And then I make it back and noise them in my place, especially at daytime. You hear him? You see him? So this name cricket. Real cricket. I make beer noise in my place, brother. So then say look up at a simmer down there now. So I have to eat something and drink a hot cup of tea, you know? So this is local cricket. This is local cricket. See him? See him gone? Oh, yeah. You see how them behave? You see how them behave, people? Yeah? You see? Yeah. Fly all boat. People. Yeah, them making noise in our place. Them making noise in our place, man. You hear him again? Grab him again. See, man? I see him here, them people. Dangerous with them, you know. Dangerous with them people. Cricket. One noise him make off your head. You want to get up, you want to run out of your house. One noise him make off your head. See him, people? Yeah, them are sitting here. Terrible sitting. Terrible sitting. I'm telling the people. Then come like, don't go think they're not bite, you know, but them play again like mosquito. See, in cause now me there mosquito kill me too, you know, but you don't know. Okay, people. This might be a nice in a way. And then cricket. Cricket. See, you see it? Terrible sitting. Terrible sitting people. So no lot of things go there and them a walk away. See ya? Yeah. Play that cricket, you know? So I'm still there with no people I chat with them cause I don't know a thing going on. Still there with them man, the pot of bubble alongside with people. So I still not stop chat with them, you know? Still not stop share with them. Real people. Rastaman not lying on people, man. I telling you real life story them, you know, cause I need to lie to you, you know. I'm telling you, everything come like a scripture, you see what I mean? So people, I always stay focused and stay righteous, see? And I feel now where Rastaman is there upon them ends in the night, yeah. Put in a one bulb and bright up the place. Enough night more show now I go on upon the ends in a little corner. But I like little pot I cook and boil some tea. And here I do it now, I fry chicken, see? Fry him away and set him up and cover him down, make him go and steam out. Wash the rice properly and throw in there. I call that quick cook. See? Season, wash the meat, clean it up, season it up. See? Clean it up properly, you know. See? Season him up. And put on the oil on the fire and I pot for hot. And drop them in there for fry to a mention. Now go so boom and you know you prepare your rice. You know what I mean? Wash your rice. I done the try and I season up and then sitting there. Season thing there, throw it back in our pot. With tips and water and I stir it on and throw it back in our pot. They call it cook down to gravy, but when I cook it down to gravy, I cook it down the rice style. See? So I call that all in one. The chicken in that one and the rice in that one, but I fry the chicken first and dash one on and I fry it down. Yeah man, because you man have a whole heap of seasoning on the base and thing. Seeing people for body up, but you don't know me still say me a joy we do not said way. Seeing? You don't know a bit brother. Yeah man, so I'm not stop the fight brother. Seeing? Yeah. Ever go on and pan the black and see. So as me I tell you no man, some girl can't get my love brother again. Can't get my trust, can't get my hopes. Cause I like they go up on me in a pay play. That's why I see a little black out the go on card. I like go for around 20 minutes and chip in back. See? So I come back and finish talk with them and things, said here, cause you don't know shit myself. Some girl not a chance with my paper. And I did I tell you no man, have some girl cruel, you know. Them not make the youths them know the right thing, them not grow up the youths them a real way. They not show youth them the real daddy. Cause me say, did it for youth, and then little. So I make 2 women do me that, you know. 2 women do me that. I rent house put girl. I work as a young boy so I have ambition. Rent house and put girl in a paper. And go and work hard out a deeper tile, you know. While the place where I work, I can't come home every evening. So I tell the woman say I not come home till a weekend time. Mama find a man asleep within a house where I rent in a paper. In my house where I rent in. I sleep with you know. That time I live down Watchy side you know. In my house when I rented my money card. You know I go already. See? Yeah, look at girl and thing and you know parents stand and go on them time them and say you have to come out and rest him and breed and the rest him got pit me. And I'm house and where them I want tell him say yo you have to go there. That's how she call me and rent a end span a place and go and live up. Love a place to pretty like money. See? But tell you what, Mama can't be a man in there say I don't know say people. And I come down a fortnight week now to pay the landlord. The landlord said to me say, you know blacks me don't want no money from you this week, this month. And I say, what you mean you don't want no money? Man, I say, I can't take no money from your blacks, because this girl like your man in her house can sleep with. I say, what you mean? Because I don't believe, you know. Man say, if you don't believe me, because we have one rubbish bin in her house. See? Man say, I just do for spite and kick you over. People, you see when I kick you over? I see more than 50 boots in her pan. 50 used boots, you know. When mama and the man, mama have a man in my house and I rent. Big pretty divan bed. The people I tell you say woman, some of them are nothing for trust. That's why I build back to myself in the hills. Right now I want to kill brethren. I want a girl. Right now I better me save up. Forgive me people but I choose me attack. You better me. Because I not go a club for fun, you know. I not go to them places but when I pass and see a vibes me tap. See one of my brethren tap and drink a liquor but nature call you buck up on one girl there. See? Whether give a girl one little 3 grand and get a good little section. You know what I mean? Go and beard up myself and fresh up and feel fresh again. You know? I want to be confident in some girl and live with some girl right now. Because you're gone, virgin, another man at a pain. Another man a dig out the cocoa. What I say, brother? You can't trust them. Right now, to me see her to run. See, have a bee, she beg me things all the while and me give her and thing and kind to her and you know me feel little honey one night and say me I beg her little etc etc. You know what I mean? You say me I beg her little etc etc. You know a girl you tell me say one man to him good at, one man to him etc. I'm a good and kind to the girl and sitting there. So, I show you no care you're loyal, no care you do some things to some girl. And you no remember your brother. You no remember you. So, I did upon the said topic I talk to you about. I saw them deal with that. Saw them deal with that, brother. See? So, I tell you now, I even finish telling you, say, the one where me they live with in the scheme now. See, you know, me did said so and she said she gonna spend time with her brother. Cause remember when I did I say to her in a paper. That she gonna spend time with her brother. So I go so boom and check it out and hear say no brother. One of her man she gone paper. Believe Rasta Mice now, one of her man she gone and I say what? So I did work with her man cause I currently go ass up and with paper. Remember? Yeah man. So I did work with her man. He said brother will make me have the bike and thing. See in paper? I said brother there. So he done. I tell you, he done did for give me some money. But he tell me say me nah go get no money till the other week. So me tell the woman that the woman change brother. The woman start cause it's a maca diamond girl, them girl there. Them girl there money girl. Them girl there. Them girl there out there money. Then deal with it. Let me tell you brother, as pretty as you see them. Then sell a kill now. From your money right. So I go to boom and she start going the most way and start going the most way. So me and I they fall out and kick off and thing. You know, so I take my money, when I get the money, I take the money and buy beer grocery. And they have a money. Beer grocery because them they live with her and thing. And see in paper, I buy beer grocery and thing. For me and I. When she move out, my sister, she tell me, say me and her pull up and left and thing, cause the message that when I get back from her parents. So me and her left and thing. I go up a yard in a paper with a crocus bag, you know. And every food in her house, me full up in her crocus bag, in her brethren. Full up that in her crocus bag, all TV, my DVD. And then etc. Then I move car back down and say in the night I one of my brethren me see and he ask me where I go. One policeman drop me down and my gate here, sir. Seeing people, said place I isn't on sir. But I love woman bad. Me where you see I love woman bad, but I now go give them my heart and my soul because I pass through for them tests. Pass through them lessons. If a girl not rate me for who me is, the ugly boy. If you don't rate me for who me is, don't rate me for my pocket. You don't rate me for my heart, don't rate me for my pocket. See? And that's why I Billy Tune and say, girl, if you don't love me, tell me. Girl, if you don't love me, leave me. Girl, me don't want you love me for my pocket. Girl, me don't want you love me for my pocket. You're too ready, I hear if you stop it. I'm a little bit of gross, so you have a bad habit. You don't go love me for my pocket. You never love me for my matic. Further on you want give me a jacket. Lock it. My girl, want make you so ready. My girl, want make you so dry. My girl, you don't go sell some fire. My girl, me have to tell you bye-bye. You don't go love me for my pocket. You don't go love me for my pocket. You never love me for my matic. The bad liberty girl, me I beg you stop it. Nah. No, I'm just a freestyle out and look how you know she said when I play. Because some of me is chipping, you see me? Because she don't love me for who me is. She don't go love me for what I have. You see what I mean, brother? So that's why I talk to her, because you don't know, brother. Nothing be truths and rights, you know. So I tell them girl again. For sure, you with them real father. Like you with them grew up with good wisdom and knowledge in them. No hide the youth them parents around them. No give youth them 3-4 daddy. See, in a push come to shore and the man where you say daddy boss in a life and want motivate him and help him in a life. A 2 daddy, 3 daddy him have it ain't go good. You know, give the youth them rightful parents. Because you know truths and rights. You know, to do it. Because man, when you even know how a youth eat and drink, you never know if how a little girl wear a little panty. You don't know if a girl a beard and keep himself clean. You don't know if her hair a comb. You don't know if her fingernail a cut. You don't know if she want ice cream on a Sunday. And me a daddy. Me a daddy. Me a daddy. See, brother, when I say me a daddy, me a daddy. Because I'm sure daddy figures. See, brother, I not just hack this. I walk the walk, bro. I walk the walk, bro. Talk the talk, bro. See? I'm not fight over this or war over this. And just take time out to talk to one of my people. See? Take time out to talk to one in a real way and chat to one. So when some people are yap and a chat up some sitting. You have to know from when a man and a woman they couple up. You know when the cock chicken then run down in them and just go up on them and start wiggle so and joke. See, so you have to see when that did happen. And know when and how before you chat. See? Because nothing beat days and date and number. So I said dear me you born. Like you know, I said week, me come up back from watching. And go right to her yard, go ask her. Her sister cuss me like dog, like jankra. Because over in sister yard, me would just sleep with him, wake up with him. See him? Yeah, believe me, no man. Cool, no man. Not say 40, because you know I chew me attack, bro. See? I take care of that, but you have some people ungrateful in our life. They don't remember where them a come from, especially some woman. They're ungrateful, licky, love lights. See? Because me and that girl that did that straight through, right through. And I'm a washroom up on my grand auntie yard, I get that girl that pregnant, man. Right in the washroom up her yard, brother. Right in the washroom up on mommy yard, I get that girl pregnant. Because one of my cousins did give a man a room, one a room for car girl in and go there with. So I come out and link him. And I go and I want to pull the place. So I tell him to pull the back girl. Because they all want to go in the house with the girl go sit down and even watch little TV first. So they embarrass me as a little youth, as a man growing up, said we. You know my big man stage, because my grandaunt. I feed them cousin. See? But then get opportunities if you stay here and get. They don't want to in a place, then fight against me. See? So if you tell you fight and struggle, brother. So brother, I always talk truth. And all it more if you tell you, you know. I say I give you a night reason, said we up on my corners. Ninezella, big up yourself for life in a youth. Without you, Ninezella, nothing could knock me in a youth. Without you and Jack and a special subscriber will reach out to me. Say big him up in Ninezella. I beg you in Ninezella. Make this reach my special subscriber, you know, because I tell her, you know, I respect her more than my mother. I love her like cook food. I love her like Jesus. And she had the closest thing to my heart right now with Almighty God who make heaven and earth. My good subscriber them. big up on yourself and bless up on yourself. And I not talk blessing up, I say Belfield. See? Belfield works. Colorian. See? Because all them places I walk as a youth, you know, Robbins Bay. See? Belvedere at Portland up there, so come I live. Yeah, I tell you enough place me hustle as a youth for true, you know. Belvedere. See, brother? Now people no remember me down at Chilani still. But big on upset way. Rasmice are big on upset way. See, so me big up everywhere. Back in my place, Bottom Albany. Auntie Annetta, me not talk big you up in your son and your husband and all of them said way. See, Jenny, where you are my mother, me not talk big you up. You hear me tell you? The more than fight we are, the stronger we get. See, brother? Yeah, more than fight we are, the stronger we get in our life. So, Jenny, go and fight. And all of my family, them are close and back on me. And shut me out. Respect and manners. Enough love and thanks. Enough respect. All of who promise me things, promise me help. And not help me in a life. I say enough love and enough thanks to you. Enough respect and manners to you, bro. See? So, brother, there we do you once again. And I beg you please and thanks, man. I beg you subscribe to your thing, man. Turn up the thing now, man. Yeah, I'm not top Israel. See? Martin. See? Everywhere, man. Back a suit everywhere, man. Big up on yourself straight, man. One love from my heart, man. You see me, one thing with the ugly boy, man. I'm full of love. I love me use conquer evil. I love me use conquer all. I'm full of that, bro. I'm not let go. I love you, respect you. I say, Randy, big up yourself, you know, youth. Big up yourself. I know more your little thing about that piece and I forgot. I come to you. Big up yourself, Randy. Big up yourself, Tilly. Marshall. You know, big up on yourself down there, no, man. See? Hold on, man. Every youth on the block, everybody, man, at Islington. Big up on yourself, man. Because I want to live amongst you for years. Yeah, my brethren down in Martin Jack Road, Rasta Sunday. I don't know any youth. Big up yourself, said we, bro. Still I hold it and I fight it. You hear me say? The people, I don't tell you no mission on me there right now, me want to fix up your house and thing, but I got a little lick in my face. I think reach me, I can't even tell you now. And see bike I can reach down for me again. I can't solve the problem them. I deal with them. I deal with them. Because I deal with one already, so this left to deal with. Seeing, brother, I'm going to do it, brother. I'm going to do it. Because I say big up my special subscriber again. I love you, you know. But I love you all of you. All who subscribe to the thing, all of who. You know what I mean? I bless you up from my heart, brother. So, Jah love, Jah guide. Take care of yourself. Walk good. Drive good. Walk. Drive. Arrive. Carefully. Whether you walk or whether you drive. Just be careful. And you see, in a day, my time I go on and just be careful. Try not nothing with nobody. Try your best, brother and sister. No, you know nothing with nobody. Just the trouble come. Run left it. And I say, brothers and sisters, peace and love. Seeing? One heart, one love. Blessed. Seeing? Jaja. I'm tell you now again, you know. Please, me I beg you now. If you don't want to find me, man, and can't find me, just tune in to Rasmice Entertainment, brother. Or you tune in, brother, to Ninizella Entertainment, blood. And I tell you, just, you know, and you inspire you with some good thing, you know, like you know some things that you never did know before. And See, and just click on it, man. Beg on a look subscribe to Rasmice thing, man. You know what I mean? Menezela said we entertainment, and beg on a look subscribe on the thing, man. Help me turn up the thing, man. Because I just a try something off of my own in a paper. Belfield. Seeing? Whole harbor again, me say. A tanso. Seeing my paper? A tanso again. Dan. Alena, Amanda. Tyson. Richie. Leroy. Trevor. Seeing? Dan, me love you like cook food too. You stay there. Because you guide you and take care of it. Just stay fresh and stay fit, said we are not that. And you know one day thanks I can look for you. See? I'm going to say big up the whole of man them in Africa. Down the whole of there, said we. I never remember some of my man their name, but I big up the whole of youths them from Africa black, said we. In Africa lane. And all the faith in get a youth. All the faith, man. See? And make the devil draw on out and push on overboard. And I say, Daddy, all the faith and be strong. See? And I don't see what I go on, Dada. Take care of one another down there, you know what I mean? Cook a pot on the ends, play some domino. See? All I meds with a friend and brother, tell a friend for tell a friend. I beg you now, please subscribe to the thing, man. Yo. Remember down there, nice, you know. See, brother? Big up the whole of straight. Whole of down to beer. Whole of beer. Everywhere. See? And big up the fisherman from whole of beer beach near Clive. Big up them man that said we are big fisherman for years, said we are. Big up yourself. See? Big up everybody in a whole harbor market. And I remember me still. I remember when I said, yeah. Mary was sell fish in a whole harbor market. Big up yourself, said we, Mary. I take time out to just, you know what I mean? Big up yourself, said we, man. Just cool now, man. Enough time we sleep on the post office steps, said we. Enough night to bleach in the market, said we. Enough rough days and tough days, man. I feel now way, man. And my big up go down straight to Sandy Bay. Me big up Oral and the whole of man them in a Sandy Bay, said we. Big up on yourself, you. Never forget on you, man. Big up on yourself. Jaja love forever, brother. Remember me tell you, we must link in, brother. And it's a Berks Road. See? The whole of place them, land. See? Everywhere, man. Just big up on yourself, brother. I wanna teach me to be strong, tough, like concrete. A dancer. Remember dancer, two dancer down there now, little dancer and big dancer. Me I big dancer. Ever dancer and a cool. Yeah. Big up yourself, man. My general, my elder from Berk Road, big up yourself, you know how yourself. Big up on yourself. Seeing? Just tough up yourself and big up yourself. Take care of yourself, my daddy, cause when I forgot to no greatness, no time. Big up yourself. Love when I said we no matter what, because anything for go on. I don't know me have to run back to come live monk said we, but I try to stay clean and real. Anyway we go clean and alright. Seeing daddy? One love, one heart. Let's get together and we feel alright. One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. One love, one heart. Give thanks and praise to the Lord and you will feel alright. Yeah, brother. Real, man. That's so go for now. See? Bless up on yourself. Rastamize out. See? See you now again in a short step. Jaja. Bless.